Yo guys, what's up? Binary bot real account here, and I just want you guys to know that our VIX 75 and Boom 500 robot, which is a synthetic indices robot, it is actually completed and it's going very well. Alright, and as you can see, it's taking small profits. Alright, and it's having small losses as well. Alright, so one thing I noticed is that it has a bit of a higher drawdown on like Boom 500, because you know that spikes do occur. So sometimes the drawdowns are a bit like $7, $6 thereabout, but it doesn't exceed a $50 balance. The drawdown, but so far so good. As you can see, if we go to custom period, and let's see, I've been running this for like since last night, so I selected the 17th to the 18th there, and there you go. The results for those few hours since I started this is $52.31, which is pretty good, which is pretty good. So again, this only works on volatility 75 1S and Boom 500. Alright guys, if you're interested in a demo, like a demo testing on your demo account, meaning I won't be giving out demo versions of this. Of course, I'll provide you with my set file if you're interested in getting a copy of this, but also I'll provide you guys with a demo run where you can create a demo MT5 account to my specifications, and at that point I can go ahead and have it connected to your account, where you'll be able to see the results and the progress of our robot. Alright, so like I said, it's accumulated over $50 in like under 6 hours or 7 hours or so. So it's very promising to say that it might be able, it's $100 a day robot. Alright, so again, for persons who want copies of this or just want more info on this, go ahead and reach out to me. Alright, or send me a message wherever you see this video from. Send them a message and they will let you get in contact to me. PabloPipsFX out.